Welcome to Talent Explorer, the best distance learning platform to kickstart your career. Are you looking for top distance MBA universities in India? Here, we have listed our top recommendations for you to choose the best distance learning university. Today, we will talk about Manipal University. Our expert education counselors will guide you through this university. Here you will see the eligibility criteria and benefits of choosing this university.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you the eligibility criteria for Manipal Online for MBA program. Any graduate with 50% can appear for MBA program in Manipal University. There is a 45% for reserved category. Apart from that, if you have appeared for any aptitude test like CAT, XAT, MAT, GMAT, you need to provide the score to the university. If not, there will be an entrance examination from Manipal University which will be of aptitude test. You have to appear for the aptitude test and then probably you can enroll for the MBA program of Manipal University Online. Thank you.
So now, to begin with, the Manipal Jaipur Online. They fork out 10,000 plus Coursera courses which helps you to gain extra certifications.
Hope you enjoyed the video on MBA distance education. Manipal University offers an awesome online MBA programs. Our education counselors are ready to guide you towards making the best choice for your career. You can connect with them using the number provided on the screen. Or you can also check out our website at www.talentexplore.co.in.